Okay, Mr. Charlie Hill, making a video here for you. We are doing the chimney job and have some good news and some bad news. Mostly bad news, but highlighted with some good news. So once we ripped off the siding, we realized not only the siding and the corner boards were bad, but this was rotten down to the frame. So we're actually having to reframe large parts of the structure around the chimney. The good news is that it is not termites. It is water damage. Because if it was termites, you'd have a whole different ball of wax to deal with. But we're redoing all the framing here from the back down to the base of the frame where it attaches to the house. Here's the back of the chimney unit itself where it exhausts upward. And we've removed all the chimney. I've already ordered your new chimney cap. So now we're gonna go out and see all this. All of this is rotten. All this is bad, bad, bad. All this here, inside. Once it goes a couple feet, it's safe. So then here, we're gonna shore it up with an extra 2x4. So as you can see, even this back here is rotten. All this just turned into dust. I mean, it's just disintegrated. So now we're gonna go up here. Here's the new roof. Roof is looking very good. Look at that. Ooh, look at those extra heavy hip and ridge shingles, the Ridge hip and ridge. All right, here we go on the roof. Now, this back side, this is bad. And we've already removed the 1x6s here, and they'll get nailed onto here, and the new cap will go on top of it. So anyway, just a quick update video, let you know what's going on and show you a few things. Have a good trip. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.